Just a little bit of snow. And this time, it's starting to stick a little bit.
Hi, this is Ryla Canargiani on the Canargiani News weather. And as you can see, it's snowing here in Bethesda, Maryland. Now, everyone knew it would snow, but no one knew it would have snowed this much so far. There's going to be an expected 3 feet of snow, between 2 and 3 feet of snow actually, and as you can see, it's coming down pretty nicely. And the snow is wonderfully starting to stick. Lots of people have been shoveling snow, so it will be easier later tomorrow or later today. It's quite cold here, and it's not going to warm up till later next week, and it's also supposed to snow on Tuesday. There's supposed to be lots of snow in Montgomery County. And as you can see, the snow is a glorious view. Glorious view. Not that I'm not a glorious view. Will it be the same tomorrow? I don't know. We'll give you more coverage tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hi, my name's Ryla Canargiani, and as I promised you, I'm back with the weather on the storm of 2010. As you can see, the storm has gotten much, much deeper. And lots of people all throughout the day have been shoveling. As you can see, some people still aren't free of their homes. The storm has gotten so bad that the power is out all on this little street of Grayswood and farther. Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
Kiernan.
And I see you're shoveling. How long have you been shoveling to get out?
Well, my husband and I have been shoveling off and on all night long. Just every couple hours we come out and dig a trail so that we don't have a lot to do when the snow finally stops.
And how long has your power been out?
Since sometime in the middle of the night, I'd say at least 10 hours.
That's a lot. And,
Yeah.
And how much snow do you think there is?
Ooh, I don't know, maybe 15, 18 inches?
Do you expect a lot more to come?
Well, the weathermen predicted that it would be snowing until about 7 or 8 o'clock tonight, so I imagine we're going to get another couple inches at least.
Thank you, ma'am. You
You're
may go back to your shoveling. Cars have been having to travel quite slowly because if they travel too fast, they'll get stuck. Let's go interview more random people. And as we see, there's a man trying to shake out his bush. Let's go interview him. Hello.
Oh, got the video crew with you?
Yes, I do.
So what can I do for you?
Well, how long have you been shoveling?
About 10 minutes. My wife shoveled everything this morning.
We saw.
I'm just trying to pick up the slack. It already snowed like 3 inches since an hour ago.
Yeah, that's a lot of snow.
It's snowing fast. And it's
When-
still windy out.
When do you expect the snow will stop?
I'm gonna guess 8 o'clock tonight.
I'm Chris.
Hello, Chris. Hey, that's his name. Where do you live?
I live on Brixton Lane, just down the road.
And how long do you think the power's been out on your street?
Well, I heard the Giants power lost its power at 3:30 in the morning, so I think we're all on the same power grid.
And have and how much snow is over there?
The road itself has got to be at least 2 feet of snow. They plowed a big berm right in the front, so there's no way anyone can get through there.
So a lot of people are stuck in their houses?
I'd say so.
I hope you dig out.
Thanks.
Thank you. There's more than 2 feet of snow here. Everyone's trying to shuffle to be free from their houses. Bundle up. It's a bumpy ride. Hi, this is Riley Canargiani of the Canargiani News. And as you can see, it's still Blizzard of 2010. This is the biggest storm DC has on record. And tonight's weather forecast, dark and cold.
Last time it snowed almost as much. We got 3 days off, and this is more, so I'll probably get 4 or 5. Plus, it's supposed to snow on like Wednesday or Thursday. This is like epic.
It's been snowing since 10:20 in the morning, Friday, February 5th, 2010. And now it's Saturday, February 6th, 2010, around 4:30 and still snowing. Keeping a great pace. Oh my God, a lot of snow.
The snow finally stopped. Yay!
Yay! "10 a.m. Wednesday, 6 inches of snow overnight." Really? We're in whiteout conditions only 5 days after a huge blizzard. Most snowfall in one winter in DC history. There are 40, 50, maybe even 60 mile per hour winds. Plows and power crews have been told not to go on the streets because of this terrible weather. And it's too dangerous. It's very, very cold, and the snow is coming down very, very fast and very, very furiously. There are no cars on the road, and there still are thousands of people without power. Don't go outside if you don't have to. I don't know why I'm out here.